I'm so glad I'm back to the life. I feel like somehow like back to the life pre-COVID. It seemed like life is gonna be normal again. So I am in a hotel just to check in here for a conference, Life of Traveling. I love this, and I am here by myself. I'm so super excited. You won't, I mean, I am just beyond happy. It's not like I hate my kids and my family. It's just sometimes you really need that kind of alone time. If you agree with me, give me a like. This is long overdue, and you see my travel like very light travel stuff. I'm bringing with me the same Osprey backpack and my very friendly little Franny with me, and this is just, you know, the hotel itself is not, I mean, it's fine, but I'm so happy I'm back to this kind of life that I've missed so much. So I only have, this is just a overnight trip. I'm here for a conference. I present something, but it's really nice to have a break. So I drove non-stop for 3 hours, and here I am. The whole check-in process is so easy, so smooth. I love this. Hello, my friends. I'm so glad I was able to finally make a video. This is I'm actually I out of town for a conference. It has been so long. Last conference I went was like, I think more than 2 years ago. Anyway, just want to do a quick video to show you the planners I'm actually carrying, and also, you know, the purses I'm using for this just one night overnight conference. I drove 3 hours yesterday and got here yesterday afternoon, and then out dinner with my friend, and then we'll head back this afternoon as well. Anyway, so I packed super light. I'm still using my faithful Osprey. This one I did a very comprehensive review of this one. I feel like when I go for this kind of conference trip, I always will bring this. It holds tons, and it's very lightweight itself as well. In terms of leather purse, I'm still using my Franny, Vera Bradley Franny. I love this. I think I've been using this for a very long time. This run. So I have all those essential stuff in here. I have my friction pen. This is the best to be used for the planner. I don't know if you would call this planner or notebook or something, but this has been quite helpful for me. It has multi-function. It works so well for my purpose. I try to get it focused. It's not focusing. Okay, maybe because it's too much distraction. Okay, so, and as you can see, this Franny and this little notebook fit in no problem, and I can zip it and everything. So I usually just keep it there in my purse, because I always feel like the need to have something to write down. And this, as I say, has multi-function, multiple purpose. This is actually a Rocketbook notebook. So I have huge collection of Rocketbook. This is one of them that I use very often. As you can see, I have a lot of tags here. So this is so handy for me to just wanna, you know, take some quick notes, you know. And this friction pen is the key to use Rocketbook, because this is 0.5. I think you need to get those small, more fine, precise tip in order for the ink to dry fast enough. If you use the one that comes with the Rocketbook, I think it's a 0.7. even though it's only just 0.2 difference, but in terms of the time it takes for the ink to dry, it can annoy you very much and then makes you don't want to use it. So I think the trick is really have a smaller point, finer point. So this is 0.5, has 4 different colors, and if I need to erase anything, I can just quickly erase it. Anyway, so I've been using this as a something that I feel like I'm kind of weird in this way that I cannot think without writing things down. So help me thinking, jot notes down, and then I use it as a I have my shopping list. This is my weekly or bi-weekly kind of shopping list. I put my coupon here, any quick notes. So I've been using this. It's been serving me so well. So I've been using this as a planner, just quick planner, kind of type of thing. Yeah, so this is one I'm using. I'm carrying with me almost daily, like in my purse, and use it very frequently. And then I brought I'm still using this Hobonichi Weeks. It's been working well, pretty good as well, mainly for my work related stuff. Journal of like the logs of what I've done for my work, and planning work related projects. So this is just some Hobonichi Week. It's not a mega version. Okay, and then I am using Passion Planner Medium. It also been working quite well. So combination of these two are, I would think, about maybe 3, are the key. But this one is more memory keeping, logging, tracking, and goal planning. Actually, I stopped using Cultivate What's Matter, the Power Sheet. Instead, I condense all those things here because I really feel like it's very to me, I think it's very attractive to have everything together in one planner. So that's what I'm using for that. And this is more personal, a lot more personal, and this is more work, and this will be on the go kind of planning. Okay, and I don't know if you are interested in anything I have here. Probably not. Just very simple stuff. One person. That's all I have. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please give me a like and subscribe. Okay, I will see you next time. Goodbye, my friends.